Welcome back to my channel Gourmet's Delight, and this is Faiza. If you like my recipe, please do subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make apple cobbler, a very delicious dessert. I hope you will love it and enjoy making it. So let's get started. Into a mixing bowl, I'm going to add 4 apples washed and thinly sliced. So I have added 4 apples peeled and thinly sliced. Next, I'm gonna add half cup sugar. If you have sugar powder, you can also use that, but I am using granulated sugar. So into this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons cornstarch, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, half teaspoon vanilla extract. I'm going to mix this well. Combination of cinnamon and apple is a terrific combination. It's a very beautiful flavor. So this is done. Now let's make a biscuit crumble. For the biscuit crumble, into a mixing bowl, I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup sugar. You can also go with powdered sugar, but I'm going to use the regular granulated sugar. 1 tablespoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, half cup butter or oil. You can use anything. Now let's mix this well. You can see the crumbs. The texture is like crumbles. So you can see the crumble like consistency. It's just like sand. I'm just going to mix this well. Now with the help of the whisk, I'm going to mix this. As I'm mixing this, I'm going to gradually add 1 cup milk. I'm not going to add it at once. I'm going to gradually add this. So this is done. It must be like this. The texture must be gooey like this. It has to be sticky. We want exactly this type of the texture. Now I'm going to grease the baking dish. Now into this, I'm going to add the apple coating. So let's spread this. Yeah. Now with the help of my hand, I'm going to just add the biscuit coating. The flour. So this is done. Now let's bake this. Oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to bake this. I'm going to bake my apple cobbler at 175 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. Now let's check our apple cobbler. It's 60 minutes. Yeah, it's done. Now let's wait for it to cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. So my apple cobbler is ready. Now let's serve it. We need to cut this. So here's my apple cobbler. To this I'm going to add 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. You can add any flavor of your choice. With hot apple cobbler, a very cold ice cream. And now I'm going to drizzle some caramel sauce. So this is my apple cobbler with vanilla ice cream and caramel sauce. If you like my recipe, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep yourself updated with my new recipes.